I had an unfortunate accident where I had torn my rotator cuff and was in need of some repair, and did some research and decided to come to Star Valley Health. Living in a rural community, people tend to have the misconception that our doctors aren't as well versed or as knowledgeable as doctors in a big city would be. They haven't seen as many cases, they don't know as much as education-wise, but I have found that to be completely dispelled. The doctors that we have in our rural community are very well educated and have seen a myriad of different accidents and know how to treat them.
I think the treatment here, even though, going from California where it's hustle bustle, in and out, you got a 15-minute appointment, you're done in 15 minutes. I think the difference here is that you have an opportunity to talk to the doctors and explain how you really feel, and they honestly want to follow up, and they do. Big
hospitals, I've heard that you're a number, they just try to get you in, get you out, and rural hospital, you get a lot more personalized care. I feel like, especially Dr. Morgan, he knows who I am. He sees me out at the fair and he's like, hey, how's it going? How's your babies doing? It's so awesome because the personalized care that you get here at Star Valley Health is amazing.
The uniqueness of the hospital system here is that they do have a more personalized attention given to patients, and that is comforting to know.
We just had a really good experience in the hospital with not only with our doctor, but with the nurses, the OB nurses who helped, and then also the nurses afterwards with our stay in the hospital, who kept watch over us and helped to make sure that me and the baby that I was recovering and that the baby was staying healthy, and I was just really grateful for that and left feeling like that we'd had a wonderful experience and just felt very cared for while we were here.
I was and still am impressed with their manner and their friendliness and the proactivity, especially that Dr. Hageman showed me.
I've known Dan now for years and years and years because I came to them a long time ago. And he is just a wonderful, knowledgeable individual that's helped me a lot. He's compassionate, they're nice. That's the most important thing I can say about this place is that everybody's so nice.
He's great. I mean, he engages in all kinds of conversation. He's fun to be around and talk to, and he really cares about what he's doing and about me, and I'm sure he does that with every patient, so yeah, no, it's been a good experience here.
The quality care that is here in this rural town, they blow some of the other places out of the water. They are just so professional and so positive. They just excel in helping you get better.
When I actually hurt my knee, I was riding on a trail and wheelied over pretty bad and put my foot back, and I could feel my knee go out, hyperextend backwards, and then it went kind of back in, and of course I fell down and with my bike crashed. And when I came up here and Dr. Linford was looking at it, he was able to, just by feeling my knee, explain to me exactly how my knee had injured itself. And so without even telling him my experience, he told me exactly what happened with my knee twisting. So I was very impressed with just their ability to diagnose, even with just placing hands on my knee.
Before my surgery, I was very limited in what I was able to do with my shoulder. Very hesitant to have surgery and recovery, and it was a little bit sketchy. However, I survived it, and I am so thankful that I chose Dr. Stuckey and the medical staff at Star Valley Health for my care. I'm 100% today. I would even say 110%, a little bit better than I was before surgery, and I'm living a full life. I have no limitations on my surgery, and I'm very thankful for the option that I chose to come here.